Hey mga kabahay, I'm Agent J from MF4 Real Estate Corporation and in-house lead broker of Pilinvest Land. Welcome to area at Saramonte Mansions located in Pilinvest, Homies Cainta along Marcos Highway. So tara, samahan nyo ako, puntahan natin yung mga available namin na units here in area at Saramonte Mansions. So first stop mga kabahay is located in Block 2, Lot 1. So yung available dito is yung nasa likod ko. So almost finished na yung unit. So it's a corner lot facing east. Ang lot area is around 157 square meter and then yung floor area naman po is nasa 92 square meter. So yung mga kabahay, if you're looking for a house here in Pilinvest Homies Cainta along Marcos Highway, area at Saramonte offers 2 units, isang RFO and isa namang pre-selling units. So for more details and site viewing assistance, please contact Agent J at 0929-705-6363. Again, thank you for watching and God bless. Bye.